The Margarita. Simple, refreshing, and legendary. But are you making it the right way? Today, we're breaking down the perfect margarita recipe with pro bartender techniques. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering the classic margarita, one of the world's most popular cocktails. We'll show you how to balance flavors, rim the glass perfectly, and shake up the ultimate drink. Let's get started. Tequila, 2 ounces. Reposado for a smooth, slightly smoky taste. Cointreau or triple sec, ½ ounce. Adds citrus complexity. Fresh lime juice, 1 ounce. Always use freshly squeezed. Superfine sugar, 2 teaspoons. Enhances sweetness without overpowering. Salt, for rim, optional. A classic touch for balance. Run a lime wedge around the rim. Dip half the rim in salt. This lets you choose a salted or unsalted sip. Set aside while you mix the drink. This prevents over-dilution. Add tequila, lime juice, triple sec, and sugar to a shaker. Shake well with ice, but not too long, since it will be served on ice. Fill your prepared glass with fresh ice. Strain the margarita over the ice. Garnish with a lime wheel. Sip and enjoy. Straight up or on the rocks. Now you know how to make the perfect margarita. What's your favorite variation? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cocktail recipes. Want to master more cocktails? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for classic drink recipes and pro bartending techniques.